Good morning dear students. Today we will be discussing about part 2 of ISO 9000 and ISO 14000 standards. What is ISO? It is International Organization for Standardization. The contents of today's discussion are elements of ISO 9000 and ISO 14000 and steps for ISO registration. We are going to discuss about elements and steps for registration to get certification of ISO. Next, coming to elements of ISO 9000 standards. Elements means principles, basic principles of ISO 9000 standards. What is the main objective of ISO 9000? It refers guidelines for quality management system. So to achieve quality policy, what are the elements ISO 9000 follows? First one, customer focus, leadership, then engagement of people, process approach, improvement, evidence-based decision making, relationship management, strategic and systematic approach. These are 8 important elements of ISO 9000 standards. Now let's see what are the elements of ISO 14000 standards. There are 6 important principles given by ISO 14000 standards for achieving environmental management system. We know that the main objective of ISO 14000 is giving set of standards for achieving environmental management system. Now we'll see what are the principles. Environmental policy, planning, implementation and operation, checking and corrective action, management review and continual improvement. It follows plan, do, check, act cycle, that is PDCA cycle for continual improvement. What is an environmental policy? It is a part of environmental management system under ISO 14000 guidelines, like quality policy under quality management system of ISO 9000 standards. What are the policies of environmental management system to achieve continual improvement in the management process? They are sustainable exhibitions, sustainable procurement, sustainable design, go green on energy, pollution reduction, conservation of resources and sustainability awareness. These are the policies by environmental management system to achieve continual improvement in the management process. What are the steps for ISO registration to get ISO certificate for a company or industry whoever is applying? The steps are educate, application, internal audit, process diagram, documentation, internal audit, certifier, issue of certificate. First, educate about ISO certification and registration process, then getting application for registration, then internal audit to meet all quality policy, then process diagram to meet quality requirements, then documentation of each process for verification and to get the quality assurance, then again internal audit of documentation, then approaching certification process, then issue of certificate finally. These are the steps involved in ISO registration for certification. Let's see what are the difference and similarities between ISO 9000 and ISO 14000 guidelines. ISO 9000 merely for quality management system and 14000 is for environmental management system. So which follows quality policy, where 14000 follows environmental policy and 9000 follows quality planning. This comes under environmental planning. Then ISO 9000 needs documentation, likewise 14000 also needs documentation and training of both. Then inspection and testing by ISO 9000 standards. ISO 14000 standards means monitoring and management. Here corrective and preventive action is taken in every process. Likewise in 14000 also corrective and preventive action is taken. Here quality control record should be maintained. Here EMS record should be maintained. This is applied for internal quality audits, and 14,000 is for EMS audits. These are the different policies of ISO 9000 and ISO 14,000 guidelines. Who can apply for ISO certification? For ISO 9000 certification, all industries can apply. For ISO 9001, engineering and construction firms can apply. For ISO 9002 certification, it is applicable to steel and car manufacturing industries. ISO 9003 is for chemical process industries, and 9004 is for all industries. Likewise, ISO 14,000 is also applicable to all industries for certification. With this, we are coming to the end of discussion on ISO 9000 and 14,000 guidelines. Under this topic, we have discussed overview, benefits, elements and steps for registration. Thank you so much for patient listening. In the next class, we will be discussing about NABL accreditation. Thank you.